Welcome to AORUS 101. Today, we have good news for Intel users. The Z890 GB Ultra Turbo mode is here. It's based on Intel 200S boost and takes things further, tuning CPU clocks, pushing memory beyond 8000 MHz, and lowering latency, so you get more performance with zero hassle. To keep everything running smoothly, it also adjusts system power limits automatically, giving your CPU more headroom to perform at its best. And the best part, it's super easy to turn on. But first, here's what you'll need. 1. A Gigabyte Z890 motherboard. Ultra Turbo mode works with all Z890 models. 2. An Intel Core Ultra K series CPU. 3. Memory with XMP support. You don't need super high speeds, but if you do have high-speed memory, Ultra Turbo mode can help you push beyond 8000 MHz. Now let's see how to turn on Ultra Turbo mode. When your PC starts, press the Delete key to enter BIOS. In the top right corner, you'll see a button for Ultra Turbo mode. Click it. There are 3 levels to choose from. Level 1, Intel 200's boost. This is Intel's default turbo setting. Memory goes up to 8000 megatransfers per second. Level 2, Turbo mode, Gigabyte's custom setting. It boosts both CPU and RAM. Level 3, Extreme mode, a more aggressive overclocking mode. It gives max performance if your hardware can handle it. Here's a simple chart to show the difference. Gigabyte's settings give more power than Intel's, but still stay safe for your hardware. After choosing a level, press F10 to save and restart. When you get back to Windows, you'll see your CPU and memory running at higher speeds. In real tests, memory performance can improve by up to 65%, and game performance can go up by 34% or more. That's a big upgrade you can really feel. Now open your favorite game and enjoy the boost. That's our quick guide to Z890 GB Ultra Turbo mode. If you have any questions, feel free to ask anytime. See you next time. Team up, fight on.